In this video, I will tell you how to download Chrome browser. I tap open new. So here type Google Chrome browser download. Microsoft bar type this is. After that scroll down and this is website is official. Here click. Then you can download here 64-bit my laptop. Download you can click open file and yes, internet connected already. Download few seconds. You can see downloading complete. Installation process now. So installation complete and sign in ready. Chrome browser sign in, click here. You can this pop up. So here type your mail id and process complete. Okay, if you are without mail id use, so here you can see this is desktop. On a icon click, double click, and you can use anything search bar. No need any sign in. Okay, that's it.